Hi, my name is Julian. I'm a senior, and this is Salice, also known as CSE. Come check it out. This is 305. It's a 6-person suite, and I live with my 5 other roommates, so we each get 3 rooms, 2 people per room. Come on in. Hey guys, this is the living room. We all hang out here every day. There's 2 bathrooms on either side. We cook here, we eat there, and we play over there. This whiteboard is for game night, so we have game night every so often. Come to my room, I'll show you my room. When we first moved in, the beds weren't really set up the way we liked, and we were able to customize it and have the format that you see here. I like making this feel like home by putting up things on the walls. I love frames, so I love putting pictures in frames and framing them on the wall. And then I put up posters here as well, and little shelves and figurines. One thing that's really cool about living on campus is the free laundry.
This is my room. It's a 4-person suite, so I live with 3 other people in 2 double rooms. Come take a look. So this is a 4-person suite, so we have a living room, a kitchen, we have our common space where we like to hang out, watch Love Island, we do our homework in here, and then our 2 rooms go off the side. With our room, we both get 1 big closet that has a lot of space above it. Fordham does provide you with these dressers. They have the storage in the desk as well. I think my personal must-have accessory is my mattress topper. That it has changed the game. It makes these beds much more comfortable. I made this place feel like a home by obviously I have some decorations. My pillows are actually pictures of my dogs at home. But also I surround myself with people who make it feel like home. I'm really close with all my friends who live here with me, so that's a big part of making this place feel like a home.